this really hot day in California, in the high desert, California, and it is really hot. It's been in the 90s and hundreds the last several days. But Stu and I wanted to share with you that we were able to get a new car. So what happened is we had a leased CRV, but he is no longer able to drive after breaking his hip. So we didn't want to be making payments on a car that was sitting here. And then on the other hand, my car was 9 years old. It didn't even have 40,000. It had just under 40,000 miles, but it was 9 years old. So we were concerned about, if we only had one car and that car was 9 years old, what would happen if, it broke down or something happened to it? We wouldn't know what to do because we'd only have the one car. So we decided the best bet was to just start out with a brand new car. So we got this car here. This is a 2022 Honda Pilot. So it's a Pilot just like the one I had, but it is a gray color and it's new and we love it. There's my wonderful husband standing. Say hi. Say hi to all our YouTube friends.
Oh, awesome.
And so this is the outside of the new car. We just brought it home last night. This is some guy that's just walking around a neighborhood. Say hi.
Hi, I'm the neighborhood solar guy.
He's the neighborhood solar guy.
If you guys need solar, go ahead, hit me up.
Listen to him. So this is how it looks. And we're really happy with it. And
I'll sell anybody.
Yeah.
And
you guys already been sold. I can't even sell you guys.
Yeah.
We've had solar for years. The solar guy's complaining because he can't sell us any solar, but we've had it for years.
Hey, but I can give you guys some referral bonuses though.
We got them for free. It's so cool. So anyway, here's the inside. Nice dashboard. Everything's electronic.
Maybe next time.
Hello.
It won't bite you, baby.
What?
The car.
No, I'm standing at an angle. Don't you see? That's all over up here.
Anyways, guys, this is Stu and Donna's new car. It's a Honda Pilot, right?
Yeah, 2022. We just cleared out a section in the garage so it doesn't have to sit out in the sun. So now we're going to try pulling it in the garage and see how well it fits.
No problem.
Are we ready?
Do you like your new car, Mr. Stu?
I love it.
Good, good.
Yeah. The minute she saw it, she went crazy.
Yeah, I saw it in the lot. It was like the first thing that drew my eyes. I thought, man, I wonder if I could even afford that. I'm like, don't even think about it. And that was the one we ended up pulling.
It has beautiful leather seats and interior.
Yeah, we like leather seats because Donna likes it. And
Yeah. She gonna back up? Here's the back of the car. Maybe come this way a little more. Good. Is she far in enough? Okay. Now we have the car in the garage. Woohoo! No problem.
This was one of the high-end additions, but in order to get the leather seats, you know, you have to get the high-end. So I've never had a car with a push-button start before.
Oh,
And
really?
I've never had a car that I can start up
Oh,
as
no.
I'm going to the car.
Mhm.
And that seems, you know, might seem some silly, but you know, when I come out to the car and Stu gets in, and then I'm putting the wheelchair in the back, and it takes time, and in the meantime it's 100 degrees and he's in the hot car. So with this, I can have the car started and the air running for him and the car cooling down as I'm putting the wheelchair and stuff in the back. So I thought that was a great feature.
And I believe it has a touch screen. Maybe. Let's see. Yep, it's a touch screen. And
It doesn't have a little stick. You just push the buttons for your park, rear, neutral, drive.
so does this car have any miles?
It has, right now it has 22 miles.
Oh, wow.
It had 5 miles when we pulled out.
Yep.
So it has 22 miles now. And it's already getting better gas mileage than our other Pilot did. Today we were driving and it was getting 16 miles a gallon as a brand new car, and the other one in the same area driving was getting 12 miles. So the newer cars, according to the dealership, the newer cars are built for better mileage. The engines are built for better mileage, so that was nice.
Yes.
So we're enjoying the car, and now we're not paying for a car we don't drive. We're paying for a car we do drive. And
Yes.
being it's a new car, we don't have to worry.
Yes.
Yeah, so awesome. Thank you guys. Thank you for joining us in our happy moment with our new car. We even have a sunroof.
Awesome. Say bye, Mr. Stu.
You going?
No, I say bye to the YouTube.
Bye, YouTube.